Hello and welcome to AI Learning Coach. I am Doina's avatar, and today I'm going to show you how to create a beautiful thumbnail for your YouTube videos using Canva AI tools. Canva is a powerful website, one of my favorite tools to use for all of my projects, and I also use it as a teacher. But today I'm going to focus on one of its features that can be found on the homepage of this website. So if you are on Canva's homepage, you should be able to see this question: what will you design today? And we are going to click on Canva AI, and I want Canva to design something for me. So I'm going to make sure that this is selected. And then I'm also going to select social media because YouTube is a form of social media. And then I'm going to select the format. So what do we want? We want a thumbnail. So here are some options, and there it is, YouTube thumbnail. And I just finished a video that I would like to upload to YouTube, and I need a thumbnail for it. And the title of that video is AI helping or hurting education? What teachers must do now. All right. Now, this is a very short prompt. So basically, I am simply pasting here the title of the video. You can, of course, expand this prompt, but let's see what Canvas AI can do just with these instructions. Design for me a YouTube thumbnail for this title. So let's go ahead and click on submit and just give it a little bit of time. Right now it's thinking, and it's going to give you several options. And that's what I like about Canva. Look at some of these options that have already been created. Okay, so this is one option. This is one design for the title I gave it. Here's another one, very powerful. You can see the AI aspect of it. Here's another design, another one. So let's say that I want more designs, and I want one with pictures of a robot and classroom. Okay, so let's go ahead and see what other designs Canva will create for us. And wow, I really like this one. Okay, so feel free to keep exploring, but I'm gonna focus on this one right here. But I do want to change a few things about it. So now to make some modification to the text or to the colors or to add more elements to it, I want to bring this into Canva editor. Okay, so we're going to say use Canva editor. And now we have Canvas editor where we can make many changes. So let's say that I want to remove this educational and technology. I want the title of my thumbnail to be short. So I'm going to delete that. I might also delete this. Okay. And we want to enlarge the text. So let's make sure that it doesn't cover the image. All right. Maybe it's a little bit too big, so let's make it smaller. All right. Of course, we can change the font type from many options here. And we can change the font color. Let's say I want to change just the word education. So I have many options here. Let's put it in red. And let's say that I want to further edit this image a little bit. So I'm going to click on edit, and I'm going to use several other AI tools that are on the Magic Studio. So one thing that I want to do is delete this little cube here that's at the top of the finger that this robot is holding. So I'm going to use the magic eraser to do that. Okay, so I can use this little brush, or I can use this arrow. I can click on it. So let's go ahead and use the brush. I don't need a big brush, so I'm going to decrease the brush size. And now I'm going to go ahead and select this little cube and then click on erase. If you want, you can make further modifications using other AI tools under the Magic Studio umbrella. So for instance, I can use the Magic Grab. Let's say I want to move these books or enlarge them. So first I'm going to select the 3 books that are on top of this desk, and I'm going to click on Grab. And now Magic Grab is selecting them and making them an object that can be enlarged, deleted, moved around. Okay, so you have many options. Once you are happy with the way this image looks, you are ready to export it now. So you're going to click on Share, and you want to make sure that when you click on Download, you have PNG selected. You can also do JPEG, and then click on Download, and your thumbnail is now in your Downloads folder. And that's a wrap on how to use Canva's AI tools to create eye-catching YouTube thumbnails. As you've seen, with just a few clicks and a little creativity, you can save time and elevate the quality of your content. No design degree required. If you're a teacher, content creator, or just someone exploring the power of AI to make your work easier and more engaging, you're in the right place. This channel, AI Learning Coach, is here to guide you through the latest tools, step-by-step tutorials, and practical tips designed especially for educators and lifelong learners. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the notification bell so you never miss a new video. Got a question or a tool you'd like me to cover next? Drop it in the comments. I love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.